Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this Socin super soft DuPont nylon bristled electric toothbrush. It has sonic twist, 40,000 vibrations per minute. And this is the Pop Sonic, okay, from Socin. What I like is you can get it in a whole bunch of different colors, and it's good for traveling. We're going to pull it out right here. This one has like this rose color almost to it, aluminum body, push button right here, nice twist and snap back on head right here with those DuPont bristles. Charger goes in the bottom. You just simply hold that down, it's going to turn on and works really well. It comes with a extra bristle right here. And this is my favorite part, is it comes with this. So for traveling, absolutely fantastic, nice compact form factor. Has your charging base, USB-C charging cord. Actually, it's a micro and an adapter. One thing I wish it came with more replacement heads, but you can always get more. Put that right on there and look at how classy and stylish that looks.